Welcome once again to this YouTube channel. Thank you for following me, for subscribing and watching my videos. So probably as tonight, for we are working under Microsoft Word, it's lesson of tonight. So then without wasting time, I want us to open Microsoft Word. So probably you can use any format of opening it. And then today we are looking about making a table of content in your Microsoft Word. So probably to make a table of content, you first list your body, as you can see mine. So this is my content. This is my content. The heading of my content says analyzing the causes. Let me first read for you. It says, wait a minute. Sorry. They're saying that the title, analyzing the causes of rapid population growth in Uganda. So that's all the information concerning rapid population growth in Uganda. So you can see my heading. My heading has an introduction. We have introduction, we have an overview, and under introduction we have overview, we have purpose, as you can see. So the all content, we are going to edit it to make now the original table of content. And now to create a table of content, you first come and click here. You make sure that the cursor is here, the way you can see mine here. Then you come in home and then press in insert. Then we create a blank page. After creating a blank page, you come and carry this heading. We carry it up to this side. We are carrying this heading. Sorry, no. As I earlier told you, my laptop carries many softwares, so it makes it we carry it up that side. So this is our heading. So after creating that heading on the new blank page, then we come and break the page here. So you press at the last, before introduction, you come in insert and make a page break. This page break will separate the abstract from the introduction. Now in between the introduction and the abstract, we create a new page. We shall have to create a new page that will now have the references. We come in references and then we create a table of content. Of course, as earlier told you, here you choose any format you want your content to appear. For our case, we will have to we shall have to do what to. So then we start now editing our head. So you select it and put it in heading 1. So every subtitle under that heading will be put under heading 2, because it is a subtitle, because it has 1 point something showing it is under a certain what? It is under a certain so here we have to select everything like in heading 2. Here everything will undergo heading 2 as the process goes on. So when we come on the second title, which is background, for it, when selected, you have to put it under heading 1, and the subtitle, which is 2.1, it will be selected and put in heading 2. As you go like so, you go on selecting the headings and putting them in their rightful heading titles. So for subtitles, they'll be put in heading 1. For subtitles in heading 1. For subtitles in heading 2. Titles in heading 1. So until you come to the conclusion. Until you come to your conclusion while selecting the required titles. So here we go. And now I'm sorry to take us some small time, but we have to be patient and learn, for it is too important. So here we are finishing with putting our, so here we are done. So when you're done with your document in that way, it is all like that. So you come and press here and come in home and come in references, select table of contents, and then select this, and as probably it will automatically display our table of contents. So this is our table of contents. Let me show you very well. So these are the headings that we went on selecting. So we have the introduction. Under introduction, you have overview, purpose, scope. We have the background. Under background, we have this historical context, the current world affairs. Under findings, you have this. Under conclusion, you have everything as it is displayed. So then, if you want to go to, let me say, introduction, you control click there and it will take you directly there. Let me repeat for you. If you want to select a certain text in the table of content, let's say you want to go and read the current situation, so you will press Ctrl and select current situation, and probably it will take you direct to that table where there is current situation, as you can see. So probably that's all about making a table of content. Remember, our content was not aligned like that. We never had this page here. We never had this page. So we have made it, and it can direct us, it can guide us to where are the rest of the things. We can find everything is now allocated. So probably we shall be talking less because now we don't want to make our videos too long. So probably thank you for watching. Follow for more, comment if you want to know anything concerning making table content. We shall also go further and learn more of the things as time goes on, but for today let's have that to guide us to make table of content. So you see, you can make a manuscript, you can make a good presentation for students. So thank you for following me, thank you for liking my videos, and God bless you.